steak meal. First and turkey. What we having? What's up? I'm back again with another video. Now, today, okay, I cooked everything, alright? And it came out pretty good. To me, it did. So, but today I'm having steak. I like mine well done. Well done. I don't like to see any red. I'm sorry, but that's just me. And I have a crab cake, and I have some shrimp, and I have, look, red mashed potatoes. And I don't like too many mixed vegetables. I got a little bit of vegetables right there. You got that? Alright. So, let me pray over this goodness real quick. So, before I get started, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Like, thumbs up the video, all that, you know, share, comment, let me know what you want Sugar Mama to do, what you want me to eat, try, whatever, challenge maybe, okay? Oh, and in the background, I got my boys, okay? I got Mason in the background. They watching their little cartoons, they eating their food. And so, in the meantime, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry, all right? I got some ranch. I like ranch with my steak, and I got some A1 sauce with my steak, and I got Pepsi. Pepsi for the burp. I'm sorry. You know when you eat good, you have to burp. I'm home. If you don't like burping or smacking, this is not for you. But before you click off, just subscribe. Subscribe. All right? And look, it is. What you see is what you get. All right, let me get started. See what I did. I'm going to taste it without the sauce just to see if I did it right, you know. See if I... Okay, that's my steak. That's my steak. See that? Let me see. Okay. 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 Alright. It's good. Baby wasn't lying. Because I made it, but I didn't eat it. She ate crab cake. It's my crab cake, y'all. This is lump crab. Not jumbo lump, just regular lump. And my red mashed potato. So what I'm going to do is these vegetables, okay, I got mixed vegetables. But I'm going to hurry up and eat them, right? And get them off my plate. I don't eat, I should, but I don't eat too much vegetables, so I'll put some right here. I'm going to get them off the plate, though. See, get them out the way. There's some serious flavor on it. For the, I just put some butter, pepper, and, I threw some salad dressing in there. Not regular salad dressing, the season. So, I did my steak like, Chef what is this? Chef Ransby steak, you know, Hell's Kitchen guy. I YouTube his video. I just wanted to do my steak like he did his steak for some reason. Because I watch him from time to time. And I did it exactly the way he did it. I'm opening up this ranch so I can put some right here on this plate. So I can dip my steak in it. And I'm going to put some A1 sauce next to it. So I can just rub it around in there, you know. Okay. Nice tail. How y'all doing? What's up out there, sugar woogers? What's up? I'm not in the car. I'm not working right now. Yeah. Yes, Mason. You hear Mason, y'all? Huh? I'm eating. I'm doing the video. What you say? What you get? Huh? You eating too? He said he eating too. Good. Eat all your food, okay? He said okay. You know? See, I be in the house during the day with my boys. Sometimes we go outside, of course, but that's why I don't do too many videos during the day, because sometimes I have them, but now it's just like I'll do my videos with them here, huh? Y'all understand? You got some flavor on that. Okay. Surfing perk. Let me try this shrimp. Yeah, little shrimp gonna go on there. Y'all. Y'all better go cook y'all some steak, crab cake, shrimp, mashed potatoes, and vegetables. And eat with me. I'm telling you, this is good. So softball season started, y'all. I play softball. Our first game got rained out though. We didn't play our first game because it rained. You know? That's some bell peppers. Bell peppers. Got good. Well, put in your plate. Yeah. Woo! And this is a big steak, y'all. Huh? You're a big steak, look. You'll see smoke coming out. I'm bringing it to y'all. Y'all see that steak? Maybe like hers, medium rare. I like mine well done. Like I said. Y'all know I'm getting cracked open that Pepsi. So y'all better watch out. If y'all watch this far and y'all just like to watch me eat and don't want to hear the burp, y'all better close your ears real quick. Because the way I'm feeling, I feel like I'm going to have to make some room. Yeah, I did that slip. Put that in there. I want some crab cake on that too. And some mashed potatoes. Crack it open. This is all for my home. No. Crack it open. Man, that's always what I need all the time. Yes. Why I gotta be so excited? Yeah. I don't care what nobody's saying. Even if you don't like it, you know. You know and gotta understand. Right? Woo! There we go. Y'all want that? There you go. I don't know, y'all. I be tripping. Nice potato. You know what? Comment below if y'all use, I don't know if it's different, but ranch dressing something for your mashed potatoes, because I boiled the red potatoes, of course. Butter, pepper, a little seasoning. I threw a little bit of ranch in it and mixed it all up. And then it's good. No, I'm not going to sit here and make myself miserable because this is a lot for me. Y'all already know, there goes some crab cake. Y'all already know that I'm getting full already. On the shrimp. And bell pepper. Woo! 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 This is good. Woo! Steak. Crab cake. Good. It is good, y'all. I know. It make you do crazy stuff sometimes or just act crazy, or at the moment right then and there when your food is that good. I'm just saying. What y'all eating today? Yeah. All y'all. What y'all eating today? Who wanna come eat with me? And when I eat steak, I have to be in the mood for it. I really do. Nice shrimp right here. Nice shrimp. Piece of shrimp. I didn't mean a lot. I just felt like I wanted to tap it off by throwing a little bit of shrimp in there too. Man, my subscribers are slowly going up. It's slowly going up, y'all. But I'm sure if I was so much more consistent and do videos every single day, I know it would just go up. Because every time I look up, there's 1, 2 lingering around. So, I don't know. Some of these other YouTubers or mukbangers or mukbangers and eating, sometimes their numbers just rise like that. Man, because they're just so motivated and consistent. I know it takes consistency. But I think I've been doing pretty good compared to what I used to be like, man. I used to do what? Every 4 weeks? Like, how you supposed to get a lot of subscribers that way? Keep people coming. But all y'all got to do is share, comment. Sometimes that do motivate me. I know I don't need people to motivate me, but it put a little push on it. It get a little push, a little motivation. Don't hurt. But I have no problem with motivating myself. But I just be busy. I be busy with life. Busy with life. So when I come on here and do this, I just have fun. Like I said it before, I trip myself out. I am my #1 fan. You hear me? Hey, do you hear me? Any of y'all my fan? Any of y'all love me? You ain't got to be a fan, but I know you love me a little bit. So, sugar mama, some love, y'all. Because I'm about to wrap this up after I eat a few more bites. and drink my Pepsi and leave y'all with a burp because I know that's what's going to happen. I ain't even going to sit here and act like I'm not. You know what? Yeah. Yes. Let me hold that thought. Yes, Mason. Okay, it's okay. So anyway, what was I gonna say? I forgot, y'all. I'm sorry. I forgot. They'll come back. I forgot, y'all. That's what. When Mason speaks, or everything stops. Woo! Oh, I know what I'm about to say. Come on now. You can be the most daintiest girl, woman, all that. Dressed nice, everything nails did up. But you know good and well when y'all home and you take a swig of something after eating a whole bunch of food, you know you burp like you ain't dainty. You burp like you ain't dainty. Like, and talking about, excuse me. No, it's, excuse me, I'm gonna burp. It gives you room. I was passionate about that, but sure, you know, if you don't like it, just subscribe before you click off. I love you. Alright, y'all. Yeah. Yes, Mason. Okay. Alright. Okay, you done? You done? I'm done too. I'm about to wrap this up. 1 second, okay? Alright, 1 second, alright? It's okay. There you go. This is what I did. Yeah. Woo! If you're full, stop eating. Cheers. 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 That don't make no sense. Nope. Alright, Sugar Woogers, for real. This time, I'm gone. I'm out. I see y'all on my next video. And thank you for watching and stopping by, checking out Sugar Mama over here on my channel. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Alright. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Show Sugar Mama some love. That's it. I ain't gonna say no more, but I'm gonna leave y'all with a big hug. See y'all on my next video.